Why did I join the EIC? Hi, my name's Heather. I manage multiple escrow companies throughout California. For me, the answer is simple: professional development, access to forward-thinking training, and networking. It's a huge one for me. A few years ago, I realized that our company, in order to survive in this ever-changing industry, we're going to need some serious help keeping up with the constant changes we are faced with. I'm talking about state and federal legislation changes, changes in escrow practices, all those things that affect our escrow officers' desks, our company, and our bottom line. I couldn't do it alone. That's when I realized that the EIC has their finger on the pulse of the industry, and I didn't have to dig deep to find out what was going on. It came directly to me in my inbox. I also realized that if we wanted to thrive, I needed to establish outside alliances, people in the industry who I could call to discuss or commiserate when a particular issue or problem arose. Being a part of the EIC, I now have a large group of well-educated professionals to bounce things off of. I'm never alone. This year, 2025, so many things have happened that are going to be affecting our future. The astronomical increase to the licensing fees that the DFPI has put on our independent escrows, the FinCEN anti-money laundering regulation that could be even more difficult than TRID to navigate. Imagine that for a minute. Executive Order 14247, which has the IRS asking for all payments made to the IRS to be made electronically. No more checks. The NAR settlement, finding our responsibilities under the settlement, which really should not concern us at all. The CDA issues created by the DFPI DRE Joint Bulletin, navigating those guidelines that we must follow based on escrow law. Lots going on, right? So as a member of EIC, I was alerted to all of these concerns. The EIC is phenomenal at keeping us up to date with real-time email blasts and meetings explaining the changes we're faced with. Our industry needs a voice to fight back. The EIC has taken on this challenge. By joining with other escrow companies in this organization, we gather more manpower, more brain power, more power to affect our future. Knowledge is power. EIC membership is cheap when you consider the benefits of being aware and being able to affect what is happening before it happens. The question I have for you is, can you not afford to be aware? I believed in the EIC so much that I agreed to join the board of directors this year. For me, it's a time to give back to the industry. I hope you will see the value in being a member of the EIC and you will join me as well. Thank you for listening. I look forward to seeing you at the next EIC event.